Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing a how to draw nose and mouth tutorial on like a character. So and on this one it's going to be like a little smaller, but if you guys want like a more in-depth video on how to draw a nose and how to shade it and how to shade a mouth, then I'll do that too. Y'all, I almost forgot to tell y'all what I use for this drawing. I used a blending stump for the nose and I think also the mouth. And I also used the Graph Gear 1000 that I bought. Right here, y'all, is where it kind of look kind of meh, but when I start shading it in, it looks like really good. See, it just looks different. Like it looks way better from when it's not shaded in. So I just go over that a couple of times. You can make it dark to the way you want it, but I don't make mine super dark. And then I outline the lips again, and that's basically all I do. Okay, so when I was drawing this picture, I was like, I'm gonna leave this part white, so when I make the video, you guys can see how I shade my eyes too. So basically, this video is basically like eyes, nose, and mouth tutorial, like on a character. And this looks like way better when it's shaded. And y'all, I'm still practicing on like how to draw like different things, like different hairstyles, different clothing, and how to draw like feet and how to draw like hands, because I'm not perfect at it. Nobody's perfect at drawing. So we are both practicing, because I just started a few months ago, probably like 6-7 months ago, and you know, it's been good. And yeah, it's been really good. I've been taking my time with it. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Bye.